What do our conditions look like?
If you stay up late enough, and they come and go each night. It looks like another good night to see the northern lights out there with some cool conditions out there. So bundle up if you are going to spend some time out there. I know I was kind of cold out there last night taking some photos. And
at 1 a.m.
It's worth it, though, to get out there and take a look. Speaking of that, let's take a live look outside on the CorwinAuto.com Valley Skycam. We've got some clear skies here in the Fargo-Moorhead area, and temperatures have cooled down into the mid-50s, 56 degrees. Winds still out of the east and southeast at around 8 miles per hour. They'll continue primarily out of the southeast tonight, around 5 to 10 miles per hour. 52 in Langdon, 53 Jamestown, also 53 up in the Thief River Falls area. The cool spot, 48 degrees in Wadena. Winds are light, and they'll remain rather light as we head through the overnight hours tonight. They'll pick up just a touch tomorrow, 10 to 15 miles per hour out of the southeast with some occasional stronger gusts. Still some clouds hanging on in our far eastern counties, so seeing the northern lights there might be a bit of a challenge. You might have to head 10, 20 miles west of your location and make sure you're staying away from city lights. Underneath what few clouds we have, no precipitation out there. None is anticipated. In fact, the northern plains pretty quiet. It's not until you get out into the Rockies where we're seeing some showers and some thunderstorms, and off towards the east, some showers and some thunderstorms in the Ohio Valley and parts of the mid-Atlantic states, including Florida as well, getting in on the act. Now, there is Matthew, now a hurricane. Maximum sustained wind 75 miles per hour, and continues to slowly intensify, and then it's going to take a right turn and move up towards the east coast of the United States some point next week, and it could be, according to some models, a major hurricane by that time. So we'll continue to monitor that. For us, we'll continue to monitor the skies as we head through the overnight hours, and we'll see mostly clear skies tonight. Could see a touch of fog develop over parts of the area as we head towards tomorrow morning, and not as cool, with temperatures dipping down into the upper 40s to low 50s in most locations. Now, as we head through the day tomorrow, we'll start off the day with a touch of fog around, but we'll start to see some partly to mostly sunny skies as we head through the afternoon, evening hours. And again, those winds out of the southeast, 10 to 15 miles per hour. Could see some gusts up to 20 to 25 miles per hour as we head through the afternoon, evening hours, and high temperatures topping out in the 60s and the low 70s. Here at Fargo, we'll start off the day with maybe some patchy fog and temperatures in the upper 40s. By lunchtime, we're going to warm it on up into the mid-60s, and by later in the day, we'll get it on into the low 70s with a bit of a breeze around. A couple of northern lights pictures. The first one that I took very late, actually very early this morning, this near the Mapleton area, and an even better one by Valley News Live director Melissa Steffen. Hers much better than mine, and that one not too far away from Mapleton, over near the Harwood area. And since hers is better, we're going to use hers as the background of our 7-day forecast. Some nice temperatures over the next couple of days, some low 70s, including homecoming at NDSU on Saturday. Tailgating should be just fine, albeit a touch cool at the get-go. Sunday, some mid-70s, but then as we head into next week, storm system will bring us numerous chances for showers and thunderstorms and usher in some cooler weather, and potentially much cooler by the following weekend.
What do we mean by much cooler?
You have to stay tuned for that.
Okay, thanks, Robert.